Hello! We will start this game dev series using Godot engine, looking shortly at the three main 2D physics body in Godot. I will release a new video of this series every Sunday. We will start including a static body. A static body, like the name suggests, should be mostly used to objects that doesn't move, like ground, platforms or walls. Then a rigid body. A rigid body is mostly used to objects that move, like balls, objects that you want to throw, and so. To move a rigid body, you should use physics forces on him, like gravity, impulses, and avoid to simply move him, like you normally would do to a player character. And our third body is the kinematic body 2D. Kinematic bodies are meant to be controlled by the player. They are not affected by the physics directly, so you can easily move them through the screen. However, if you want, you can still use physics with a kinematic body to calculate linear velocity, angular velocity, or collision. Now we will put a collision shape inside our physic bodies to set their area of collision. And after that we will also put a sprite inside our bodies. This sprite will be there just for visual purpose, so you can see and identify our bodies when the game is running. After setting the image for our sprites, we will move our bodies to different points of the screen for further tests. And here we are defining the collision area of our shape. And now we will lock our bodies together with their shape and sprite. This step is not really necessary, but it's recommended to avoid the misdrag of one of the elements. And now we save our scene and run it to see what happens. And, as predicted, just our rigid body is affected by the physics. And now, just to test our collision, we will add a platform as we have already done before with our static body. And there's our collision. Okay guys, now we have a basic understanding of the three 2D physics bodies in Godot. In the next videos we will see each of these bodies in more details. I hope you enjoyed the video and like and share if so. Thanks!